Larry Williams turned 10,000 into $1.1 million with this simple formula. But most traders who copy him blow up their trading accounts. Here's why the same math grows one account and destroys another. So now the time has come to take a look at the Kelly Criterion and why full Kelly will ruin you. So first of all, you might of course wonder what the Kelly Criterion is. Well, the Kelly Criterion is a mathematical formula developed by John Kelly in 1956. And the formula answers one question. What percentage of my account should I bet on this trade to grow my wealth as fast as possible without going broke? And the formula John Kelly developed is simply this. The percent you should risk is simply your win rate minus your loss rate divided by your risk to reward. So to simplify, your percent to risk is equal to your percent win rate minus your percent of losing divided by your risk to reward. And here it's very, very important. In order for this formula to, work, even to work in theory, you need to have very good numbers of both your win rate and your risk to reward. So in order to use this formula, you need to have performed, good back tests. So you actually have, correct data on your win rate and lose rate and so on and so on. So to keep it simple, let's make an example here. Let's say that you have back tested, maybe you have back tested at least 100 trades, and you have, according to your test, you have a win rate of 60%, which of course means that you have a lose rate of 40%. And let's say that in this case you had a risk to reward of, to keep it simple, 1-to-1. So you won on average, let's say $100, and you lost on average, let's say $100. So now to calculate the Kelly Criterion, so how much we should risk, we simply plug in the numbers. So the amount we need to risk is simply 60%, or in other words, 0.60 minus, remember, our loss rate, which is 0.4, or in other words, 40%, and divided by your risk to reward. And remember, here we have divided by 1, which is just equal to 0.60 minus 0.40 here, which is 0.20, or in other words, 20%. So according to the Kelly formula, if you have these stats, you should bet 20% of your account on every single trade. And this is actually a super, super large amount. Remember from earlier in the course, we talked about that a conservative amount is maybe to bet 1% or 2%. But according to this formula, you should bet 20%. And the very important thing to notice about the Kelly formula is that this is the formula that grows your account in theory as fast as possible. But in real markets, remember, even if you have done a good back test and according to your back test, your win rate is 60%, if something happens, which always happens in markets, your statistics are never perfect, anything can happen in markets. If your win rate is just a little bit off, the full Kelly can lead to devastating results, and it can basically blow up your account. And this is what I tried to demonstrate with this image right here. So while a full Kelly, so the full Kelly here is the red line. So you can see that the full Kelly can grow your account super, super fast, and it will often lead to very explosive swings here, both to the upside and the downside. But when something unexpected happened that maybe is not, catched by your statistic, this can actually blow up your account, take your account pretty much to zero. So in real markets, I definitely don't recommend to use the full Kelly. But there are actually examples of traders that have used the full Kelly successfully. One example here is Larry Williams, who used the Kelly formula for his risk management to turn around $10,000 to roughly $1.1 million in the 1987 Robbins Cup. But later on, Larry Williams actually admitted that he was super lucky during this cup, and that using full Kelly like he did is not a sustainable way to trade. And a big reason here, as I mentioned earlier, is that the full Kelly formula assumes that your stats are constant, which is never really true in real markets. As I said, if you have miscalculated your win rate with just a few percent, it can lead to devastating losses. So that is why if you use if you want to use the Kelly formula, I recommend to either use half Kelly. So that is simply, instead of, recently we calculated 20%. Half Kelly would be to use 10% instead. But I actually, for most traders, especially if you are not, an advanced trader and you really know your stats, I recommend to go even lower, maybe a quarter Kelly, down to around 5%. And if you are not even sure about your stats, I recommend to do the more standard risk, position sizings of maybe 2% or 1%. Because remember here, our main goal as traders is to stay in the game and keep playing. As long as we can keep playing, we learn more, we improve our statistics, and that is how we can compound our wealth over time. Alright, so now it's time to take a look at averaging. This video was just a very short clip from our full risk management trading course right here on YouTube. To access the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.